I have to cook dinner tonight. You have to cook dinner tonight. We have to cook dinner tonight. They have to cook dinner tonight. People have to cook dinner tonight. I don't have to cook dinner tonight. You don't have to cook dinner tonight. We don't have to cook dinner tonight. They don't have to cook dinner tonight. People don't have to cook dinner tonight. He has to cook dinner tonight. She has to cook dinner tonight. John has to cook dinner tonight. My friend has to cook dinner tonight. He doesn't have to cook dinner tonight. She doesn't have to cook dinner tonight. John doesn't have to cook dinner tonight. My friend doesn't have to cook dinner tonight.